How to use mediation to finalize your divorce faster. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. If you're looking for a faster, less stressful way to finalize your divorce, mediation is one of the best options. Instead of going through a long, expensive court battle, mediation allows both spouses to work out an agreement together with the help of a neutral third party. Today, we'll go over how to use mediation to finalize your divorce faster and avoid unnecessary delays. Mediation is designed to help spouses reach agreements on property division, child custody, spousal support, and other key divorce terms without involving the court. Because mediation encourages cooperation rather than conflict, it can significantly reduce the time it takes to finalize a divorce. Most mediated divorces are completed in weeks or months, compared to litigation, which can take years. One of the main reasons mediation speeds up the process is that both spouses have more control over the outcome. Instead of waiting for court dates and dealing with legal arguments, you and your spouse work together, with the mediator guiding the discussion, to come to an agreement. Once an agreement is reached, it is submitted to the court for approval, and your divorce is finalized without the need for multiple hearings. We've worked with clients who initially thought they had to go to court to settle their divorce, only to realize that mediation allowed them to finalize everything much faster. In one case, a couple was struggling with how to divide their home and assets, but after just a few mediation sessions, they came to a fair agreement, saving them thousands in legal fees and months of waiting. At Divorce 661, we help couples navigate mediation and finalize their divorce quickly. Whether you need help finding a mediator, preparing documents, or submitting your final settlement to the court, we ensure that everything is done correctly and efficiently. Recently, we helped a couple who had been stuck in the divorce process for over a year due to unresolved disputes. By guiding them through mediation and structured negotiation, we helped them reach an agreement in just 3 sessions, allowing them to move forward without unnecessary delays. If you're looking to finalize your divorce faster with mediation, we can help. Visit Divorce661.com today for a free consultation, and let's get your divorce settled without court battles or delays.